Sparsh Group, established 4 decades ago, has come a long way, and today it happens to be one of the fastest growing conglomerates. Sparsh vision is to provide access to wide variety of safe and affordable products through sustainable packaging materials. From the early beginnings in 1975, the vision of its founder, Shri Murlidhar Agrawal, has transcended generations with businesses that span across flexible packaging, renewable energy, education, hospitality, mouth freshener, and tobacco, defining the group today. Implementing innovative ideas, solutions, and best-in-class operational competencies are the beliefs that have guided Sparsh as it grew and diversified beyond a merchant's company selling one product to the global player we are today. Our versatility allows us to custom tailor vibrant, high-impact printing and packaging solutions to meet the most demanding product specifications. Sparsh plant is located approximately an hour's drive from the industrial town of Kanpur in Uttar Pradesh, India. This strategic geographical location allows Sparsh to fast and effectively supply products to customers in India and across the globe. Sparsh Industries is a leading manufacturer and flexible packaging solution provider, producing bi-axial-oriented polyethylene terephthalate or POPET films and PET resins. It was incorporated in 2009 and started manufacturing operations in February 2012 by installing BOPET film production line with German technology.
I started my organization with the flexible packaging solution in middle of 90s. I started simply a rotogravure printing machine. Then I started manufacturing of multi-layer polyfilms, then metallizing polyester, and lastly I started manufacturing of the polyester line. It is really a state-of-art technology plant.
Sparsh manufacturing facilities located in the industrial town of Kanpur are truly leading edge. Over 63,000 metric tons of polyester film per annum is produced from 2 state-of-the-art 8.7 meter wide polyester film lines, having capability to produce thickness from 8 to 75 micron in wide product range. Sparsh modern facilities having latest equipment and technology are capable of producing wide range of films. It is a fully integrated operation with an independent power plant for added power security. Sparsh Industries has moved into backward integration by entering chip manufacturing. It will cater to different segments with annual capacity of 66,000 metric tons per annum. Sparsh also has 2.45 and 2.85 meters metallizers with plasma unit and high resistivity with increased capacity of 13,000 metric tons per annum. Polyester films is a high-performance bi-axially oriented plastic film which has excellent tensile strength, electrical properties, dimensional stability, low moisture absorption, very good optical clarity, and it can be used as a wide range of operating temperatures. We offer solutions with products ranging from plain or corona-treated films, chemically coated films, yarn-grade films, clear films. Ultra clear films. Isotropic films. Twist wrap films. Normal metallized films. And high barrier films. To be successful at each customer and in a wide range of market application for polyester film, Sparsh operates and maintains high-end consistent standards with international accreditation. ISO 9001 HACCP, ISO 14001, OSAS 18001 and NABL lab accreditation for global standards. Starting from raw material monitoring, online inspection, each roll of the film undergoes rigorous quality tests on each deliverables. Large investments are being made in advanced testing equipment. The rolls are microscopically checked in NABL accredited labs. Only then they are packed in crates, containers and dispatched in time to beat the promised deadline. Sparsh product range offers exhaustive solutions for packaging and label applications. Packaging films are used in food and non-food packaging applications across biscuits, confectionery, wafers, cereal packaging for high-speed packing machine and carton overwrap segment.
Our prime motto is to ensure highest product quality, services, timely delivery and customer delightment. We are a system-driven company working on the philosophy of good manufacturing practices. We are maintaining high benchmarks for our plant operational performance. Our state-of-the-art facilities, infrastructure and competent professionals are capable to offer you a good product basket. We are thankful to all our customers for maintaining trust and confidence in us.
Sparsh, one of the pace setters in this field, aims to be the recognized market leader and complete solution provider to the polyester film business by creating values for all stakeholders, investors, customers, employees and community through the delivery of profitable value to customers and maximizing their satisfaction. The motto of Sparsh Group, Hope of Tomorrow, is a reflection of the hopes, aspirations and dreams. Sparsh believes in identifying, implementing, sustaining and monitoring its CSR programs to maximize sustainability, scalability and transparency. The endeavor is to nurture young minds who can leave the footprint of their knowledge forever and contribute to the nation's development. The future begins today. Our tomorrow starts today.